G'day, Dr. Karl here, hitting you with a factoid about climate science you probably didn't know, which is where does the heat that happens in global warming come from? And it's answered in this book here, which has a little mistake, and I'll tell you about that later. So where does the heat of global warming come from? Does it come from the actual burning of the carbon and the coal and the natural gas and the oil? No, a microscopic amount comes from that. Most of it comes by the greenhouse gases acting like a one-way valve. Let me explain. So the sun chucks out this radiation at the Earth. About half of it is heat and half of it is light. Now, it's being emitted from the surface of the sun, which is at a temperature of about 5,500 degrees. And as it comes down from the sun through the atmosphere, at that high temperature, it does not, repeat, not interact with the greenhouse gases, carbon dioxide, water vapor, methane, and it's just plain physics. It heats up the ground. The ground warms up to about 15 degrees C and then radiates the heat back up. And at this much lower temperature, the upgoing radiation, mostly heat, interacts with the greenhouse gases. Now, if all of the heat just went into the greenhouse gases and kept on going straight up, no global warming. But half of it goes up and half of it goes down. How much does this extra heat add up to compared to, say, 1750 when we started burning coal in large quantities? Well, when this book was written, it was thought to be about 400,000 Hiroshima bombs of heat per day. But we've been rather suboptimal, and now it's around 600,000 Hiroshima bombs of heat every day. Good news is that firstly, all the references that back everything up in this book are there at drkarl.com. Just go there and look under climate change. Second bit of good news, we can reverse global warming and bring things back to what they were with just 6 words. Keep fossil carbon in the ground. See you on the other side.